Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. First, confirm the router SSID and password so you won't pause mid-setup. Power the TV and choose the input that shows the Smart Hub or settings. Many TVs combine these. If your router offers dual band, decide whether to use 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Once done, navigate to the network or connection menu and select Wi-Fi to start scanning. This begins the actual pairing process. You'll now pick your network from the list the TV discovered. Select the matching SSID and carefully enter the password. Miss a character and the TV won't authenticate. If the TV supports WPS and your router does too, you can press the Router WPS button, then tap Connect on the TV for a faster link. Otherwise, continue with manual password entry. After submitting credentials, wait for the TV to obtain an IP address. That confirms a successful connection. Finish by testing internet access in a streaming app or the TV's network status screen so you know streaming and updates work. If the TV fails to get an IP or can't reach the internet, reboot the router and TV first. This clears common DHCP and interference issues. If problems persist, plug the TV into Ethernet to check whether Wi-Fi or ISP is at fault, and make sure the TV firmware is up to date, so compatibility and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.